Mate, Italy.
Oh,
How'd you go?
bellissimo.
It was a testing week.
Very testing.
Look at my pants.
Haven't even eaten breakfast yet. Go to drive to the camp spot, and I'm covered in poo.
Look at that. That's not meant to happen.
Ciao,
Ciao, Bella.
and welcome to Italy.
We've made it.
This is our first day in land of the pizza, the vino, and
We had both of last night.
we find ourselves in northeast Italy, which is where we drove into from Slovenia.
So, you're good to drive, yeah?
Do I really have an option?
No, but you already knew that.
Oh well, I'm still one excited boy because we're going to Italy.
You know what that means? Motorhomies playlist.
Oh yeah, I am also feeling that. Rosanna, baby, you are going to your motherland.
That's weird.
What's weird?
What's weird is that you forgot to charge the boom.
That's not my job, mate. That is the DJ's job, and the DJ is you.
No, I pick the tunes. I don't charge things, mate.
Oh my God. Well, I want to listen to something while I drive, don't I?
What are we going to do? Listen to the radio?
Do we really have another option?
It seems like we don't.
Give it a belt.
Let's go. Welcome back to Motorhomies FM. I'm Jack.
And I'm Jacques. This is the station that keeps you alive and kicking.
Hey Jux, how about you give us a little
Weather update.
Well, my friend,
Hey,
it's
hey,
looking
hey,
like a peachy one
Wait till
out
I
on
play
the
a
road
song.
today in Europe's
All right.
southeast.
That may be the case, but there is a bit of moisture on the way. So make sure you keep your roofs nice and sealed.
Uh-oh. We wouldn't want you losing reception now.
But if that's the case, we better give you another track.
But yeah, we're back, baby.
Do you know where we're headed today? Do you want to say where we're headed? I've forgotten.
Oh, no, you went.
Yeah. This morning we find ourselves at Lago di Misurina. Lago means lake in Italiano.
Oh, yeah.
We're in the northeast of Italy in the Dolomites, which is a UNESCO World Heritage National Park range.
And you can understand why, because it is stunning.
We're knocking back Jake's famous oats by the lake. Reflection's incredible. The weather is perfecto.
Oh, oui, oui. That's French.
And the plan for today really is just try and make our way up to one of the many peaks in this mountain range. If you're wondering whether October is too late, it's not.
No, definitely not.
We just were blessed with the most amazing,
God.
amazing weather.
Amazing weather and one of the most amazing hikes I think either of us has ever done.
Did you think we would be this high up today?
Oh, no.
Maybe 2 hours ago? Start time?
Yeah, 2 hours.
Show us how the Dolomites look through the shades. Bring them, yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh my lord. Do you want to give us a little tour?
Yeah, follow this way.
follow this way.
Different kind of Airbnb tour today.
Yeah, a little bit bigger. That was an incredible view. You can't expect much more than that, but yeah, little do you know, it's about to get probably about 4 up.
Oh my goodness. Then came the time to head further west, but being in a motorhome, getting Rosanna into through the streets of smaller towns in Italy and into city areas, it proves very difficult. Slight dilemma.
Finding parking. We went to the first campsite and out of season, so close.
We're currently parked up here.
Ended up at Lake Como, which was yet again mind-blowing.
The winding roads above the towns, they're very vertical, so you quickly get within a couple of minutes the most incredible view of this lake and the towns that sit on the other side of the lake. We spent 2 nights by the lake, but then we spent 2 nights about 10-15 kilometres inland, closer to the border with Switzerland, at a beautiful campsite. Couldn't have ourselves one day of no misfortunes, right?
That's the good and the bad. I need to go put some washing on.
Oh my God.
It was like we dug our own grave.
We also have this to contend with at the moment, a leaking roof. So the owner has gone from having a day where
Not much happens.
Yeah, not much happens.
Just does some
and
paperwork.
he spent 3 hours driving a tractor and then hopping into Rosanna, driving forwards and backwards, relentlessly trying to reverse her out of the spot where you got stuck in.
I'm gonna go and see if I can get a, well, if he's got a washing machine, that'd be great.
We came across the most unreal craft beer bar and one of the most generous and hospitable Italian men that we met.
I couldn't say enough nice things about him. Dominic, he is just the most humble, beautiful person I think we've both ever met.
Aspetta, Biramondo, non mi ho messo davanti. You have to taste it because it's fantastic. We wait for you. Cheers!
Jake and I would love to get in to doing promos for bars and getting more creative with that. So we offered up the idea and he was pretty down for it. We even got the lapel on him when it was a bit quieter in the bar and he introduced the venue and why he loves craft beer.
My name is Domenico and I'm the owner of the Biramondo. Biramondo is the best pub in Val d'Intelvi. Our craft beer, we have a lot of craft beer from Italy and from the world. Grazie a voi, now in Italian. For my friend in Australia, I say you ciao and arrivederci in Biramondo. I wait for you, eh?
How's the first morning in Switzerland going?
Yeah, and we thought Italy was testing. The door has absorbed the keys.
I'm just gonna take this one off.
Oh my god.